Climate change is an undeniable challenge that impacts us all. But with the right tools and education, we can equip future generations to lead the way in sustainable solutions. Introducing the WIMI Community Science Projects Training Toolkit, designed to empower students and teachers with hands-on knowledge and practical skills to tackle environmental challenges. This comprehensive toolkit provides students and teachers with structured resources for learning about environmental conservation. From interactive lessons on climate change to real-world community science projects, the toolkit is designed to integrate theoretical knowledge with practical application. It fosters an understanding of the environment through the lens of STEAM education, offering solutions that are not only innovative but also actionable. The Practical Visual Tools section of the toolkit provides engaging and clear guides for students to explore how their daily behaviors impact the environment. For example, students can measure their household's carbon footprint, monitor energy consumption using smart thermostats, or track their progress in waste reduction. These tools go beyond simple data collection. They inspire change by making environmental issues more tangible and personal. For example, by switching to energy-efficient lighting, like LED bulbs, students can visualize how this simple act reduces energy consumption by up to 85% and lasts 25 times longer than traditional incandescent lights. Similarly, practical tools can demonstrate how choosing public transport over cars leads to reduced greenhouse gas emissions and improves urban air quality. Inspired by the STEAM approach, the toolkit transforms learning into action. Students can experiment with renewable energy models, simulate smart home systems, and explore solutions to waste management. These activities help students not only understand the science behind these innovations, but also visualize the positive environmental impact of implementing such solutions. The toolkit also includes practical environmental tips that both students and teachers can adopt in their daily lives. These range from reducing food waste and conserving water to supporting renewable energy. Each tip is accompanied by real-world examples to illustrate how small changes can lead to larger environmental benefits. For teachers, the toolkit provides structured lesson plans, project guides, and assessment tools. These resources are flexible and adaptable to your classroom needs, whether you're focusing on science experiments or group discussions. The goal is to foster critical thinking, creativity, and teamwork, skills that are essential for shaping tomorrow's environmental leaders. In summary, Community Science Projects Training Toolkit offers both students and teachers the opportunity to conduct meaningful and effective studies on climate change with the environmental tips and practical visual tools it contains. You can visit the wimiproject.eu website to easily obtain project content within the scope of the erasmusplus project and expand your imagination while making a great contribution to the environment.